Last time we learned how the notes number 1 and 7 of the scale sounded in relation to each other. Now we'll consider the notes 1, 2, and 3, as well as note 7. Notes 1, 2, and 3 are separated by whole steps. A whole step is twice as big as a half step. Notes 1, 2, and 3 are reflected in the tune, "Row, row, row your boat." Row, row, row your boat. 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. Sing 1, 2, 3 with me. 1, 2, 3. Note the whole steps. If you put half-step notes in between, it would sound like 1 half, 2 half, 3. But we just want 1, 2, 3. For the sound of 3, 2, 1, we can refer to the song Three Blind Mice. 3 blind mice, 3, 2, 1. Sing that with me. 3, 2, 1. Let's go both up and down. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Let's do that in a different key. Here. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's sing this set of numbers, starting here. 1, 7, 1, 2, 3. Let's try jumping around a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 1, 7, 2, 3, 1. And one more. 1, 3, 2, 7, 3, 2, 3, 7, 1. Let's do that same one in a different key. Here. 1, 3, 2, 7, 3, 2, 3, 7, 1. Great job! You can practice this yourself by picking a note to be number 1 and jumping around randomly between these notes. Master the sounds of these, and next time we'll get started on printed music.